In today's class, we shall construct the number system table. As we know that there are four types of number system. First one is decimal number system. Second one, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Decimal number system has 10 digits. It starts from 0. So we will write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 to 9 there are 10 digits. So decimal number system has 10 digits. Octal number system, it has 8 digits which starts from 0 to 7. So here I am writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and it is 7. Hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system has 16. It includes symbols, alphabets, letters and digits. So it starts from 0 to 9. After 9, 10 to 15 we have the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So here we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So instead of writing 10, here we write A. Means the value of A is 10. B is 11. C 12. D 13. E 14. F 15. Now here we have to write the binary number system. So binary number system means each digit is divided by 2. Decimal number system, here we have 0 to 9. So we will divide these terms by 2. So first 0 means binary number is also 0. 1. Here we will write 1 and this is remainder, R for remainder. 2. So first whenever we have 1, so we will put 0 here and it is 1. From bottom to top we have to write the remainders. So the value of 2 in binary number system is 1. Okay. Next we have 2 here. So this 2 is divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, remainder is 0. Now again it is 1. So we will write 2 here, 0, 1. From bottom to top we have to write the remainders. It is 1, 0. So this becomes 1, 0. This is 1 only. And this is 1, 0. To the base 2. Next term we have 3. So 3 R for remainder. Now it is 2 ones are 2, remainder is 1. Now again it is 1. We will put 0 here, 1 here. So 1, 1. From bottom to top the digits are 1 and 1 to the base 2. So in binary number system we have only 2 digits which are 0 and 1. So the value of 3 in binary number system is 1, 1. Now we have to write the value of 4 in binary number system. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. Now it is 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. 2, here we will put 0, 1. From bottom to top it is 1 0 0. 1 0 0 to the base 2. So here we will write 1 0 0. Next term we have 5. 5 is divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2, remainder is again remainder is 0. Now it is 2. Here we will put 0 and 1. From bottom to top the remainders are 1 0 1. It is 1 0 1 to the base 2. So this becomes 1 0 1. Next term, here we have to write 6. Now this is 2 3s are 6, remainder 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, and this is 0 1. This becomes 1 1 0, 1 1 0 to the base 2. So the value of 6 in binary number system is 1 1 0. So we will write 1 1 0. Next one, 7th one, 7 remainder. Now this becomes 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. Again 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. Now this becomes 2 0 1. So the value of 7 in binary number system is 111, 111 to the base 2. So this is 7 111. Next we have 8. Remainder are 2 4s are 8, remainder 0, 2 2s are 4, remainder 0. Now it is 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. For this term we will write 0 1. From bottom to top it is 1 0 0 0, 1 triple 0, 1 triple 0 to the base 2. This is the value of 8. So 1 triple 0. Now first one is 1 digit. This is also 1 digit term. Here we have 2 digits. This is 2 digits. 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. So on till 7 we have 3 digits. Now it is 4 digits. So here we will put 0 to make it 4 digit. Okay. Here again it is 0, means 1 2 3 4 digits. 0 1 1 0. We can write like this also. We can put 0 here. This is also 0, 4 digits term. Here we have 2 digits, so we will put 0 0 here. Here also 0 0. Now this is 1 digit, so here we have to put 3 zeros. 0 0 0 1. 0 means here all terms are 0, 4 digits. We can write like this also. 8. After 8 we have to write 9 in decimal number system. 9. Now this is 2 4s are 8, remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. Now 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. When we have 1 0, we have to write 0 1. So from bottom to top it is 1 0 0 1. We will write 1 0 0 1 to the base 2. So this is the value of 9 in binary number system. 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1. In decimal number system we have 9 up to 9 numbers we have. So here when we write hexadecimal, a is equal to 10. So in binary number system also we have to get the values of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. So here we will find the value of 10 in binary number system. So this is 10 remainder, 2 5s are 10, this remainder is 0, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. 2 ones are 2, remainder 0. Now it is 0, 1. So from bottom to top the value is 1010, 4 digit value 1010. This is the value of 10 in binary number system. So here this is 10. So we will write 1010. Now we have to find out the value of 11 in binary number system. Two fives are 10, remainder is 1. Now 2 twos are 4, remainder 1. 2 ones are 2, remainder 0, and here we will put 0, 1. From bottom to top it is 1011. 1011 to the base 2. So the right side value is known as least significant bit, and the left side value, leftmost digit, is known as most significant bit. The value of 11 is 1011. Here we will write 1011. 11 is 1011. Now we have to find out 12, 13, 14, 15. 12, remainder are 2 6 are 12, 0. 2 3s are 6, remainder 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, 2. This is 0, 1. So the value of 12 in binary number system is 1100. So we will write 1100 to the base 2. Now 13. Or 2 6 are 12, remainder is 1. Next 2 3s are 6, remainder 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. Now this is 0, 1. 1101. 1101 to the base 2. The value of 13 in binary number system is 1101. Double 1 0 1. Next 14th. 2 7s are 14, remainder 0. 2 3s are 6, remainder 1. 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. Now this is 0 1. Now the value of 14 in binary number system is 1110. 1110 to the base 2. One 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 1110. This is 14th. Now we have to write 15th. sevens are 14, remainder 1. 2 threes are 6, remainder 1. 2 ones are 2, remainder 1. And this is 0, 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Double 1, double 1 to the base 2. This is the value of 15. So here we will write 4 times 1. 1, 1, 1, 1.